Okay, I wanted to cover a couple strategies that are easy forgotten, but they're some of the best ways to ensure a win. In draw poker, the most common draw poker is jacks or better. That's when you have a pair of jacks or better, and you can only play or start opening bet if you have that. For example, if the first player that's been dealt to has jacks or better, he'll actually open the bet and place his bet. And this is kind of a bad situation for him as a strategy because now he has to wait for everybody at the table to go ahead and make their decisions. And they know, since he opened the bet, that he has at least jacks or better in his hand. So they can bet heavy and try to force him out, making him think that they have three of a kind, a flush, a full house, or they legitimately may have that and try to force him out as well. So acting first and opening up in jacks and better is sometimes a bad situation to be in. However, if you're the dealer, you act last. Everybody around the table has checked. You know that they don't have jacks or better to open the game. And at that point, if you have jacks or better, that's when your hand becomes a really strong position to play in. And you can start the bet, and everybody else is forced to fold or to stay in and hope for the best. And another common thing that people do, the best way mathematically to improve their pair of jacks or better is that they discard 3 cards and let the dealer give them 3 new cards. That's good, but it also tells everybody at the table that you have a pair. A better way to do it is to only discard 2 of the 3 cards, keeping 1 card as a kicker, and that will kind of play a little bit of psychology on the people at the table, making them think that you probably have 3 of a kind and you're maybe trying for a full house or something like that. So these are all things you want to think about when you're playing the game, strategies and little things like that, positioning of where you're sitting, that you can mess with the other players, because it is a game of skill. It's also a game of psychology, though. I mean, if you're putting fear in somebody about placing their bet and the money's on the line, they don't want to lose it, the risk's too high for them. They're going to fold and you're going to win what's in the pot.